Hello, my name is Crystal, and I am taking this course to better educate myself. I When I started my undergrad many years ago, my major started off as psychology, and so I took a human sexuality course for that. Um, that was in 1996, though, I think, when I took that course. And so I want to make sure that I am now up to date with everything that's changed. Or been discovered since 1996 with human sexuality. Um, I want to make sure, the verbiage also that I'm up to date and know what's the language that's being used. I also want to be more comfortable with um, the topics being discussed in this course. I wasn't raised in a house that discussed any of these topics, and so I want to make sure that I'm comfortable with it and that I can discuss it openly and freely with other people. What area interests me? I think the area that interests me the most is the how to become a sex positive social worker. Um, I like the whole strengths based approach to social work, and I just want to find out like how to best incorporate a sex positive side to that as well. I want to work with children and youth in the future, and so I definitely know this is going to come up and be a huge topic. And so I want to make sure that not only am I informed, but I am, positive about it. A safety for the course. I think basically just everyone showing each other respect, respecting everyone's comments and thoughts and understanding that everybody comes from, a different culture, different belief systems and stuff like that. And we're all trying to learn and better ourselves. And, it can take some people a while to kind of understand where they're coming from and what they may need to change. And just being open to knowing that, I think will help with the safety in the course. It's nice to meet everybody. I think this is basically a new cohort for me. I'm having to take my elective a semester early, and so I don't think I'm gonna know anybody. So it's nice to see everybody's introductions and get to know everybody a little bit.